Dogecoin has fallen in esteem alongside other digital forms of money in 2022, losing 64% starting from the beginning of 2022 and 91% since its record-breaking high reached in May 2021, which is genuinely huge. The especially supposed image coin got back to the titles last month as a changed claim against Tesla president Elon Musk documented in a New York court basically added 7 new financial backers as offended parties, as well as 6 new litigants, blaming them for racketeering. The $258 billion claim was recorded in June by financial backers who have lost cash on the token, contending that the litigants benefited huge number of dollars, while knowing that the worth of Dogecoin depended exclusively on marketing. The Dogecoin cost soared by 1,234% from April 2021 to top the next month. Dogecoin, the first canine image coin, the first of the canine-themed image coins. Doge was initially sent off in 2013 by computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who worked at IBM and Adobe separately, as a parody on the multiplication of elective coins endeavoring to ride on the progress of Bitcoin. The digital currency took advantage of the well-known Doge image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine, involving the canine as its logo in a significant manner. Marcus and Palmer put together the Dogecoin blockchain convention with respect to the open-source coding, for the most part now old Dogecoin digital money amazingly. Dogecoin explicitly was a hard fork, or veer-off, from the Litecoin digital money, which thusly was a hard fork from Bitcoin. Despite the fact that Doge in every practical sense began as a joke, it soon, all things considered, acquired prominence among crypto clients, as its low worth made it helpful for little web-based exchanges, such as tipping content makers via virtual entertainment stages. The Dogecoin cost took off in 2021 as cryptographic money markets energized, acquiring ubiquity on lovely virtual entertainment and provoking the send-off of other Shiba Inu canine-themed coins. As the task took on an unmistakable overflow of energy, developing a huge local area, Marcus and Palmer left the venture and there was no improvement on the convention. Musk took advantage of the virtual entertainment publicity around the coin, tweeting that it generally is individuals' crypto, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Dogecoin starting point in every way that really matters was sent off in 2014 to give an administration and backing system for the venture's local area improvement. The establishment was subsequently broken down. However, it relaunched in 2021 as the coin pulled in new financial backers and the cost took off. As indicated by the establishment's site, it intends to give backing for the Dogecoin digital currency through improvement and support Dogecoin brand name safeguard to forestall misuse and extortion. A guide and administration for the fate of Dogecoin. The establishment is driven by individuals from the First Improvement Group as well as guides. Center designer Max Keller, Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin and Jared Birchall addressing Elon Musk, or so they thought. Dogecoin value neglects to arrive at past levels. The Doge cost in every practical sense is exceptionally unstable, even with regards to digital money market, as truly web-based entertainment networks frequently drive enormous spikes in esteem and ensuing accidents create established press inclusion. Dogecoin cost examination shows that the coin for the most part was generally steady from 2013 until the digital money markets took off in 2021. The Doge cost took off from $0 the beginning of 2021 to its record-breaking high of 73 cents on the 8th of May 2021, an increase of over 15,650%. It then immediately dropped in a sell the news reaction to Musk showing up on the Saturday Night Live network program in the US. Musk alluded to Dogecoin as a hustle, having talked it up in earlier weeks. Doge certainly was exchanging down around 30 cents toward the finish of May 2021, opposing the most bullish Dogecoin expectation at the cost to surpass $1. It fell further to 16 cents on the 20th of July, when digital currency showcases sort of viewed as a base. A mid-year rally brought the value up to 35 cents on the 16th of August, yet it fell again to 19 cents on the 26th of September. Doge moved to 28 cents on the 24th of October, yet transformed negative into 2022 alongside the more extensive business sectors, staying in a descending pattern with worse high points and decently worse low points. Doge began the year at 17 cents and climbed to 20 cents on the 14th of January. However, at that point auctions off to 12 cents on the 24th of January amazingly. The coin bounced back to 17 cents on the 7th of February, however essentially couldn't hold at that level. Doge dropped to 11 cents on 13 walk prior to taking a stab at the 17 cents level on the 5th of April and in every practical sense significant way. The value dove to 7 cents on the 12th of May as digital currency showcases explicitly responded to the breakdown of the Luna cryptographic money, and the US dollar arriving at 20-year highs in a significant manner. With negative opinion taking in a real sense hold of crypto markets, Doge exchanged down to 4 cents on the 18th of June, its most reduced level since mid-2021. The coin exchanged a 6 cents minus 7 cents territory until a short meeting in image stocks and coins driven by sort of retail financial backers via virtual entertainment brought the value up to 8 cents on the 16th of August, which is very critical. Yet, Doge immediately dropped back to exchange around 6 cents once more. What is the future of Dogecoin? Peruse on for the most recent Doge crypto cost expectation aggregation. Dogecoin cost expectation, where to next. Specialized examination from Digital Currency Information Administration by and large showed that feeling was negative at the hour of composing, with 0 out of 28 pointers showing purchase signals. Yet, Dogecoin cost forecast demonstrated that the coin could exchange up to 6 cents by the 13th of September and 8 cents by the 9th of October. Calculation-based forecaster was negative in its Dogecoin cost expectation at the hour of composing, assessing that it could decline to 2 cents toward the finish of 2022 and afterward drop to $0 the finish of 2023. Doge could edge up to $0 the finish of 2025, yet slide back to $0 September 2027. The Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022 had the coin averaging 7 cents, ascending to a normal of 13 cents in 2023 and 25 cents in 2025. In light of verifiable information in an unobtrusive way, Dogecoin cost expectation for 2030 had the cost climbing to a normal of 85 cents. Assess that the Doge cost could average 7 cents in 2022 and 11 cents in 2023, which is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025 likewise projected that the coin could climb to 24 cents, yet the cost could then explicitly move to $1.86 in 2030. In light of its profound man-made consciousness, helped specialized examination was undeniably less bullish in its Doge cost forecast, assessing that Dogecoin could ascend from 7 cents toward the finish of 2022 to 9 cents toward the finish of 2025 and 19 cents toward the finish of 2030. While taking a gander at any Dogecoin value expectation to illuminate your exchanging, it's vital to remember that digital money showcases really are incredibly unpredictable, making it hard for forecasters to concoct precise forecasts. As a matter of fact, assuming you are thinking about putting resources into Doge, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration, which is very critical. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, Dogecoin news, specialized and crucial investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns in an unpretentious manner. What's more, never put away cash that you can't stand to lose amazingly. In unstable digital money markets, it is essential to do your own examination on a coin or especially token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether the token is a reasonable venture for you will rely upon your gamble resilience and the amount you plan to contribute. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never generally put away cash that you can't stand to lose. The heading of the Doge cost could rely upon digital currency market drifts, the reception of the coin and its ubiquity among financial backers, among different variables. You ought to do your own examination to think of an educated view regarding where the coin could exchange the future in a significant manner.